we need to find the equation of the line with slope 3 passing through the point 1, negative 4. Write your equation in the form y equals mx plus b. So I'm going to just write down, we have slope equals 3, and then it passes through the point 1, negative 4. So to do this, I'm going to use point slope form. So y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Now, if you remember in this one, we're only going to substitute in for m and then x1 and y1. The y and the x need to stay as y and x for our final equation. So let's go ahead and substitute in, and I'll label these. You can, if these are hard for you, I would recommend labeling. So we're going to go y minus y1. Notice it's a negative 4. So I'm going to put that in parentheses because it's got to have minus and then the actual 4. Equals m, which is 3, x minus, now this one's positive, so we can just leave it as is. So minus a negative 4 is going to be plus 4 equals, let's go ahead and distribute this 3 in because we want to solve this for y. So 3x minus 3, we're going to subtract the 4 from each side. So we get y equals 3x. Now if we're down 3, we go down 4 more. How many are we going to be down? Well, we'll be down 7. So y equals 3x minus 7. So just make sure to use this formula, leave y and x as is, and then just solve for y.